All right, it's just after 11, which is pretty late for us to start a hike, but we already did one hike this morning, and it's November 27. We're gonna do the South Yuba River day hike. It's supposed to be 2.4 miles there and back, out and back. It's been a while since we've been down to the Yuba, so we hope it's a pretty hike. There's supposed to be a campground around here too as well somewhere. Maybe we'll see that, I don't know. Anyway,
exciting.
Ready to go? Let's go.
Yes, ma'am.
A nice view out there. A lone tree with no branches sticking up out of it. So see some fall colors over there. So there's a broken sign here, but we're almost to the river. And we saw a tent down here, I guess this is a camp.
And we are going to be experiencing some intense incline.
On our way back, we are going to be stopping a few times.
There's like 15, 20, 30 ladybugs.
Oh yeah. They're everywhere.
They're everywhere.
There's ladybugs everywhere.
Oh my god. I have never seen this many ladybugs.
It's a random place to be. Anyway, there's a campsite there. That's kind of cool. River Rock is just gorgeous. This is amazing. We're not even in the water.
Perfect.
Yeah. The water probably eventually comes up this high. So pretty. There are these ladybugs all over this forest floor. We came here to the end of the trail. We went down to the river thinking that was kind of the end, but I think maybe this is kind of the end right here. And it goes down. There's campsites here and there, some garbage around. I actually found a pit toilet out here in the middle of nowhere, but I don't think it's usable. I don't know. I'm not even gonna go in there and look, but I don't even know how they got it in here. Okay, we just hoofed it from the river up to this split in the road trail. we went down to the Illinois crossing. That goes up that way. So we knew it was going to be a lot of up coming up. We were at 1950 elevation approximately, not even down to the river when I checked. And now we're at 2250, so that's 300-foot elevation gain. And basically like 4/10 of a mile, half a mile.
Easy peasy.
And ran into a lot of bugs that weren't there when we went down the first time. Hopefully they disappear. I was sucking them down. It was not pleasant. All right, we just got back from the hike. Kind of got our butt kicked on the way back a bit. I don't know, it's like a fairly short hike. And it was only 600 feet elevation gain according to the phone. 500 and something according to my Garmin. But squeezed into, you know, about a mile and a half. It was just a lot of up coming all the way back.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad for me except the beginning part. Kind of, once you kind of settle down in the river part and then you're going all the way up again, that part kind of affected me.
Coming up out of the river, the first half a mile was pretty brutal.
Yeah. Then it starts evening out. So overall, I really liked this hike. The views were gorgeous, but it wasn't wow. I did enjoy going down to the Yuba River. But, I mean, there's just a couple cool shots, and that's really it. Anything nature, though, I'm very happy to even just be out here. So, overall, I'd give it a 5.7.
Yeah, the river was really cool and everything. I don't know, it was a cool hike that didn't leave a great impression.
Yeah. The bugs also affected us.
Yeah, there was a
so
lot
many
of bugs coming back.
Yeah.
So, anyway, yeah, it's in the 5 vicinity, and every one of our devices said it was a different miles in and out, but we kind of averaged close to 3.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, we're going to go check out, there's a campground down here. There was a couple of tents down there by the river. There's campsites down there.
Yeah.
For, I guess, backpacking in. But there's another entrance over here for camping, so we're going to go check that out really quick. All right, we went down to see the campground, and as soon as we got going down there, the road was closed. So
yeah.
Anyway, we will check that out another time.
So spend time in nature, guys. Anything you can do, even if it's not like the best hike that ever could be done, just being out in nature, it's an amazing experience, and I enjoy any second I can get outside. So.
Yep, and spending time down in the nature by the river today was really awesome.
Yeah, even if we couldn't go in it, just being there.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys on the next hike.
Yes.